How to create AI wallpaper on Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL and any other Pixel device. So to create your own AI wallpaper, tap and hold the blank space on the home screen. Tap the wallpaper and style. Now here you can see the home screen and lock screen option. Now swipe up and you can see the wallpaper option. Tap on it. Here you can find the different category wallpapers. Now tap on the AI wallpaper. Here you can see different theme by default available imaginary, painting, night. So you can see the list of different themes, bloom, texture. Select any category you want to create a photo. So here we select the imaginary option. Now here you can see tap a word for ideas and inspiration. Here you can also choose from the available option on your device. So we select this option. Now at the bottom you can see the different option. You can apply automatically. I am feeling lucky. Tap on it and it will. You need to choose account. You need to sign in your account to access this. So tap on the words you want to change. Like here we select the boat option. Now be it made of a like we select the cotton boat and the color of the boats like cream and orange. Now tap on the create wallpaper to create the AI wallpaper. Choose your account. Now it will create the AI wallpaper for you. So you can easily create AI wallpaper to customize your own. Here you can see set the wallpaper a surreal boat made of cotton in shades of cream and orange color. You can see the list of different boat created using this AI feature on your latest Google Pixel 10 device. So quite easy. Tap on the right arrow icon. Here you can see the preview how it looks. Tap on the top right arrow icon on your device. Tap on the next button. Now tap on the apply button to apply it to your home screen lock screen. You can see apply the AI wallpaper to your home screen also and the lock screen both on your latest Pixel device. So quite easy to create or make AI wallpaper on your Google Pixel 10 series. That's it. If you like it, share it.